Here are the top 5 mistakes people learning English make and how to fix them. Hey everyone, I'm Ava, and welcome back to Langora, the place where we make English make sense. Today, we're breaking down 5 mistakes almost every English learner makes and exactly how you can fix them. Let's get into it. Number 1, mixing up it's and its. This one trips up even native speakers. It's with no apostrophe shows ownership. It's with an apostrophe is short for it is or it has. Number 2, using the wrong preposition. English prepositions don't always translate logically from your native language. So words like married to, depend on, and good at just have to be memorized because they don't always follow a pattern. Number 3, overusing the continuous tense. Once you learn the ing form, it's tempting to use it everywhere. But stative verbs like, know, want, and believe, they usually stay in simple present, not continuous. Number 4, article mistakes. A, N, the, or no article at all. But a lot of languages don't use articles the way English does, so this takes practice. A good rule: use the for something specific that both people already know about, and use a or n for something general or mentioned for the first time. Number 5, translating directly from your native language. This is probably the trickiest one because it sounds correct in your head. But English has its own idioms and sentence structures that don't always match. Instead of translating word for word, try to learn full phrases the way native speakers actually say them. And that's it for today's 5 mistakes. If you caught yourself in any of these, don't worry, that's exactly why we're here. Subscribe to Langora for more tips like this, and I'll see you in the next one.